welcome back to my channel, guys. For today's video, I will show you how to clean the economizer side of the composite boiler and the oil fired side or the flue gas side of the composite boiler. So this maintenance is done once in every voyage, and when the flue gas temperature is over 20 degrees from the normal operation temperature, and when the pressure drop is over 20 millimeter water gauge from the operation pressure. So before cleaning, guys, we have to follow the normal procedure, which is the lock out and sag out. So the main engine should be stopped, secured, and locked, and the composite boiler should be stopped also, secure, lock, and sag out. And all drain has to be open, guys, which is directed to the soot collecting tank. As you can see, guys, we are using high pressure water to clean the soots from the exhaust side and the flue gas side. So this is the exhaust side, guys. As you can see, all the holes where the exhaust gas passes from the main engine, guys, as economizer, it has to be cleaned properly, guys. All the holes should be cleaned properly to remove all the soots accumulated from the hole inside. The same way also from the flue gas side, guys, it has to be cleaned properly with high pressure water. So this is the droplets of water from the top. It has to be collected from there, and that drain, guys, should be free from any obstruction so that the water and the soots will pass freely. So from that opposite side, guys, is the manifold, which is going to the turbocharger of the main engine. So in that case, guys, we have to avoid the water going to the engine. So this is the soot collecting tank. The mixture of water and soots are collected from here, from the exhaust side and the flue gas side, and then it is to be discharged, guys, during navigation at sea. So the amount of cleaning, guys, or the amount of water will be depending on the capacity of our soot collecting tank. So this is the flue gas side. So I removed the swirler so that I can see from inside, guys, how effective is our cleaning. So until here, guys, I hope you learned something from this video. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming video, guys. This is JB23 vlog. Stay safe, everyone. Bye bye.